How to access the download area. From the main Highfield internet page, if you click on the right hand side, make sure you're logged in as yourself, use the drop down to access the members home, select either yourself as the approved centre contact or a tutor, and then that will bring up the members home screen. Then basically to access the download area, it's there as an option clearly in the quick links in the blue area. You can also access it if you click on support on the left hand side, and you can access the download area there as well. Just click there to access, and there everything is categorized for you. I'll just go through a couple of the options that there are. The top one, assessment documents and procedures. That is where all basically the documents are, any assessment packs, any information you need for any of the qualifications. They are all categorized in qualifications. So you can select the qualification that you're doing, and then you can look to see where the documents are that you'll need. On there, another useful area is general. That gives you lots of information where you'll see the Highfield Centre agreement, any of our policies and procedures there you'll find. So if you're looking for any information, you can find them there. Also, other information sort of about reasonable adjustments and anything, they can be found in there as well for you.